Hal, I'm going to read you a story, okay? In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on the leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop out the egg. Hal, are you okay? Hal? Nurse?
Hey, Hal, yeah, he's having a seizure, okay? All right,
Okay.
Hal, you're having a seizure. I'm going to lay you down, okay? You're turning a little blue, too. I'm going to give you some oxygen.
What can I do?
All right, just stand still right here.
Okay.
Please. All right, Hal, I'm timing it, all right?
Hal, it's going to be okay.
All right, it may be time to give you diastat, all right? All right, Dad, so I'm going to give him diastat.
Okay.
On the count of 3, I'm going to turn him over towards you, all right?
Okay.
Everything is going to be okay, Hal, all right? 1, 2, 3. All right. We're here, Hal. We're here for you. I'm going to administer diastat to you, okay? All right, Hal. Everything is going to be okay. All right, I can turn him over now. Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. The circuit came out.
Oh, no.
All right, Hal. Sorry about that.
Hal, it's okay.
Everything is going to be all right. Should probably give him some rest.
Okay.
Want to put the pillows back under you, okay, Hal? Everything is going to be okay. We're in here.
It's okay, Hal.
Everything is going to be all right, okay, Hal?
You going to be okay?
Yeah, he'll be okay. Thanks, Dad.